Back home, human rights activists have faulted the East African leadership over their silence in the face of human rights abuses in Uganda.
The activists who held protests in Nairobi after Uganda MP Robert Kyagulani was re-arrested in Gulu are calling for Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni's resignation to allow for the democratic space in the Pearl of Africa to thrive.
NTV's Leila Mohammed covered the protests for us and has that story.
On Twitter, the hashtag Free Bobi Wine was a trending topic in Kenya for the fourth day this week. Many expressing concern about the fate of Chedondo East MP Robert Kyagulani. Off social media, many more gathered at Nairobi's historic Freedom Corner for a march through the capital. Those marching today believe that it was a march for a free and democratic Uganda.
Uganda is militarized. The people of Uganda are brutalized. There is state terror in Uganda.
For a moment, there were loud cheers after news filtered through that the MP had been released after the military court dropped all charges against him. But moments later, their spirits were dampened by the news of his re-arrest and new charges of treason facing him in a civilian court.
I want to tell Museveni just to release Bobi Wine. He's a parent. We want to demand his release. We want to remand. No, even if he's released, let him release the Ugandans.
So basically what they're saying is that the vision of Robert Kyagulani, aka Bobi Wine, just represents a number of African youth who are below the age of 35 and under, and they're saying it is now time for people power to prevail inside Uganda.
All those charges are trumped up charges. They're fake charges. But we believe truth will prevail and Bobi Wine will be free and the people of Uganda are going to be free.
The demonstrators marched through major roads in the capital. Their rallying call to the country leadership to not turn a blind eye to the injustices happening in Uganda.
The president of this country, Uhuru Kenyatta, is an embarrassment because he hasn't said anything about it. Yes. The AU leader, Paul Kagame, is the leader of the African Union. He hasn't said a word about it. Yes. Bobi Wine and the Arua 33 are all innocent people.
The group had hoped to get an audience with at least one member of parliament, but were unsuccessful and in frustration threw coins into parliament buildings. They were also not able to deliver their petition to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Nairobi and walked on to Uganda House, which was once the office of Uganda's High Commissioner to Kenya. Leila Mohammed, NTV, Nairobi, Kenya.